Alright, so I thought about doing a whole video on it, but I just wasn't able to. I'm putting in the OBS Solutions headlight, Aussie headlight thingamajigger. And the instructions they give are really nice, step by step, really easy to follow. But I thought I'd say that the clips here, wait, hold on, I'm zoomed in, or zoomed out. The little plastic adjuster that you have to save is a lot easier to get off while it's still attached to the truck. I forget what step it is. Oh. What, 6? Yeah, 6. They have it on the on the bench already. It's a turn signal removed. I don't know if you can do it without removing the turn signal. I'm gonna try, just to make it a little easier. But yeah, getting these off is a lot easier if you leave it on the truck and then do it and then follow their instructions. They're great after that. But God, it makes such a difference. They're amazing. Someone interrupted me. What I'd say, if I had any advice other than take the headlight out while it's still attached to the truck, is follow the instructions for the first side, and then follow them, like take the headlight out but while it's on the truck still, but then follow the instructions just as they go for the first side, and the second side will damn near fall together for you. It's real easy. But yeah, it's fun. But for whatever reason, the stainless steel headlight retainer they send with it has a problem fitting over these headlights. They're nothing special. I think they're the cheapest ones at O'Reilly's. But they're going to be better than the plastic that I had. So that's why I got them. So I put them over on a grinder and ground out the corners. Let's see if it focus. Well, you see it. I ground out the corners, even if it won't focus. Fuck it. And it, hold on. Lost my tripod when the house flooded, because that would have been a lot handier. I need to ground some more off. But it fits over the edge a lot better now. Before, for whatever reason, it would go over like 3 sides or 2 sides, and it wouldn't get over this lip on the light. So if it'll last, I don't know, or I can just get some more of these off a different truck, I don't know. They work. It just goes on the headlight a lot easier, and because it goes on the headlight a lot easier and slips down it, it's a lot easier to screw in. Now I said, getting the old headlight out of the bucket is a lot easier with the still in the truck, with the bucket still in the truck. But getting this light into this is a lot easier with the bucket over here on the bench. And I'm gonna put the light in the bucket and then put it on the truck hole. Like I said, do it per instructions the first time, and when you do the second one, you can do it in a mix or whatever. But it'd be a lot easier for the second one. There we go. See, I was gonna say the issue with the fitment on the retainer ring might not be a problem anymore. I ordered one out of the very first batch when they first went up for sale, so it might not be an issue anymore. And it's not a big one, even if it is still an issue. You can just get these rings, or like, I don't know, $1 at a scrapyard off a truck that has them already. It's no big deal, but it's going smooth as butter now. Screwing in the bottom side of that bezel is going to be a pain in the ass with the horns in the way. So I'm going to take this off to put it on after all. Advice? Do the driver's side per instructions, and then see if you can weasel around doing partials on the passenger side. Well, there they are. I don't know why I put that off for 2 years. about 4 o'clock now. I'd say it took me about 2 hours. It's going slow, taking my time. A lot better. Can't wait to side them in and actually be able to see at night. Other thing, I didn't, in the instructions, it recommends 2 90-degree picks. I didn't have any picks at all. Got the cheapest set at, or I think the only set that O'Reilly's had. They suck. They really suck. They'll bend just you pushing on them real easy. But they worked, so. Yeah. Oh. Should turn them on. Look at that. Much better. Oh man. Can't recommend this upgrade enough.